is better when you're around. Memories fade, but I'm obsessing over you. I'm obsessing over you.
Again. What is up, guys? I'm Elena. Welcome back to my channel. And as you guys can tell in the title of the video, we're going to talk about a company called Lashify. I am so excited to share this information with you guys. This company has been a lifesaver, especially when I am someone that used to wear lashes like every single day. I was obsessed with lash extensions. I wore them for several years, and when I had to take those off last year, I was not happy. Let me tell you, because when you take these things off, you know, when you're so used to seeing yourself with lashes and you go and you have them taken off or they just start falling out, it's very scary. But anyway, I'm just glad I found this company. So what we're going to talk about today is just basically a little bit of information that I know about this company and how to apply these awesome lashes. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about this company, Lashify. I don't know too much, but just by, being on Instagram and on Facebook and, watching some YouTube videos and stuff, I've learned a little bit about this company. I wish I would have known about them a lot sooner because I'm obsessed. Let me throw this out there. I am definitely not sponsored. I do not get these sent to me for free. I'm paying for these all with my own hard-earned money. So let's jump into it. Now, for me, I would say the best thing to do is probably go with the Control Kit. You want to start out with that because it comes with everything that you basically need. You're going to get 2 Gossamers, which the Gossamers, I have no clue what they mean. I don't know why they call them Gossamers, but these are what the Gossamers are. And you get 12 little clusters of lashes on each one. They're in all different sizes, all different shapes for every single type of eye shape, whatever look you're wanting to go for. If you want just the classic look all the way to the extreme volume look, they have a number of lashes to choose from. They even have colors to choose from, which is really cool. So I would definitely go with the Control Kit because you're getting 2 Gossamers. You've got the A's, the B's, and the C's. I believe the A's are Amplify. Those are more of the classic look. If you don't want anything too dramatic, you just kind of want like an everyday look, I would go with the Amplify. The B's, those are bold, and those are more of a volume lash. And then you've got your C's. The C's are more of a curl lash, and they're kind of an in-between between the bold and the Amplify. I would say a C's it's more of a curl, and I would say it's great for hooded eyes. So if you're someone that has hooded eyes, I would definitely go with the C's. Then you also get their Fuse Control Wand, which I didn't order that to begin with. And I'm going to tell you guys, that's why I wish I would have gone with the Control Kit. Now, you're getting that Fuse Control Wand, which is famous, and it actually really works. And then you get their dual side Whisper Light glue. So for someone that's starting out, you don't want to get the Bondage because the glue dries a lot faster. Whisper Light gives you enough time, you can coat all your lashes, and then you've got enough time to work and put those lashes on. So definitely go with that. You've got a white and a black, which is a clear and a black. So you've got those 2 sides to choose from. And then you have the glass, which is a water resistant glue. So you always finish with that if that's something you want to. If you want to keep them on for a couple days, definitely, you would use the glass when you're done applying everything. That kit ranges between, I think it's $145 if I'm not mistaken. So definitely go with that. Then let's talk about the CEO, Sahara Lottie. Girl, you are brilliant. And I absolutely love watching you on Instagram. You have your own personality, and I respect that. You're just a hoot. Some things that you say are just witty, and I love it. But yeah, I absolutely love watching you on Instagram Live. And, they have Lashify Life on Facebook, and it has all the information that you could possibly ask for. They have videos on there. They have people that show you different mappings. If you do go with their, I believe if you do purchase their stuff or you purchase their control kit, they have one-on-one. So they definitely will set up a meeting with you guys and just explain how to do this whole system. That's awesome. You don't get that with a lot of companies. So I like the fact that Lashify has so many different options. They're very, very helpful. They're always putting out new videos, new content, like almost every single day. And that's great. I look forward to watching all of their videos. Let's talk about cleaning. They say that you cannot reuse these lashes. I've reused them twice, and I will show you guys how I reuse those. So right here, what I'm doing is I just took my 91% alcohol, and I just poured a little bit in here, and I put my lashes in here. And basically what that does is it just breaks down that glue that is on those lashes and gets them nice and clean. And it also really does a good job cleaning them as well. Now I'm using a makeup brush here, as you can tell, and if you look, you see all of that glue just all broken up. So basically it allows you to reuse your lashes, you know. I think I could probably get at least 2 or 3 more times of use out of these lashes. Now what I'm going to do is just take these out. I'll take these out and just wipe them down on a clean paper towel and get the rest of the glue off. And they're as good as new. I mean, you can reuse these a few times. And then I just let them sit to dry. They say to use 99% isopropyl alcohol, but I use this 91. They say 99 is the best, but this actually works. I'm so obsessed with Lashify that I actually came up with my own little tackle box to put all my lashes in, all my Gossamers. So yeah, I use my little Cricut machine. It keeps them organized. And then when I have my dirty lashes, when I take them off, I keep these and I just throw the lashes right in here and they're all numbered. So it's pretty simple. But yeah, that's my little system. I'm kind of a dork, but it makes it easier just to keep up with them because otherwise they're gonna get everywhere. And these things aren't cheap. Now, let's talk about their membership. They do offer a membership, which is great. Let me see, they have a 2-week, they have a 3-week, they have a 1-month and a 2-month subscription. So you can choose out of all of those. And then what you do is you save some money. If you were to go through the membership route, you save a little bit of money. So the Gossamers on their own, $25, let's say for one Gossamer, you've got 12 lashes. So let's say I wanted the F14s, that's 25 bucks. Well, with the membership, you get to choose 4 items, okay? So 4 items, and the ones that I got were the FXs because I wanted to try those. So I got the FXs and the 10, 12, and 14. So there's 3 items, and I had to get the Control Wand. I just definitely had to get it and try it and just be done with it. The Control Wand's normally $65, and I got it for, I think, 58 bucks. So you're saving a little bit of money. The Gossamers, I think, are normally 25, and I got them for 18 bucks. So you're definitely saving some money, and that's probably the best route to go. Let me show you guys what I got. Oh, well, there was my receipt. And then you open it up, and it's really cute how they package this. They've got a little sticker in here, and it says, your stripping days are over. So basically talking about lash strips, I guess. So yeah, your stripping days are over with, or just basically stripping your lashes of, you know, lash extensions. They have it sealed. Open it up, and it comes with this little thing here. So this is my Wandom and my Control Wand. So it came with Wandoms, which are little sealers that go over the Control Wand. And then I got my 3 Gossamers in here. So this is something I'm gonna get every 2 months. Now I know that you can cancel at any time. You do have to place 2 supplies worth. So if you're doing a week to week, get 2 weeks, and then you can go ahead and cancel. So I think that's the deal. Oh, you guys, okay. Another thing I like about this, and I have to really tell you guys, this is something that really impressed me. If I want to wear these for one day, I can. If I want to change them out and just try a totally different look, I can do that as well. If I want to keep these on for 5 to a week, 7 days, however long, just depending on how you care for them, I can do that. But I like the fact that I have the option to take them off at least every 3 days is usually about enough time for me. I like to have my nightly routines, and I do that about once or twice a week. You know, when I had those lashes extensions, there was some days where I just wanted to rip those things off, but I knew how much they were and I knew how much it was going to cost me to have them put back on, so I didn't do it. But I just wanted just to be able to take those off and just scrub my eyes and give myself a good facial. So that's the nice thing about this system.
Life is better when you're around.
Okay, so let's get started. I like to lay everything out ahead of time. Usually I just go ahead and lay out my Gossamers. I figure out what my mapping is going to be. And if you guys don't know what that is, it's basically where you figure out what length you want to place on your eyes. I always make sure I have a mirror as well. So if you have a very good magnifying mirror, it definitely helps. All right, so what I'm gonna do is start on the outer corners and work my way in. So I'm gonna start with the 14, and what you wanna do is you want to apply a little bit of that bondage on that little section on the outer edge and just let that dry for a few seconds. Now bondage definitely dries a lot faster than what comes in the control kit, which is, I believe it's Whisper Light. So if you're gonna be a newbie, you might wanna go with the Whisper Light. All right, so what I'm gonna do is just basically take this and apply it to these lashes here on the outer edge. So when you take your lashes off, you always want to pull them off with your fingers. Get a little extra glue on there. And then what I do is I just go ahead and lift up my eyelid, so slightly. And when you apply these, you're just gonna take this and you're going to stick those on there like so. And then you just pull up a little bit. You don't want them touching your eyelid or the waterline. If you don't like the placement, you don't like how they look, and you want to take it off, it's easy. You can just pull those right off and fix it and replace it. That's what's nice about this glue, is you can actually, you've got time to work with it. I'm just showing you guys how I apply these, how I map them, how they're gonna look.
I'm getting a snack on the way home and I was calling to see if you wanted anything.
What are you gonna get?
I was thinking either a Taco Bell burrito or an Arby's roast beef sandwich or something like that.
Oh, well, surprise me.
I'm gonna get us 2 of those because that's what I was kind of thinking sounded good.
Okay, that works for me. Thank you.
I love you.
I love you too. Bye. Okay, I guess the diet's out the window right now. I keep wanting to call it a wandom. The Control Wand. So what you do is you just go in and you go over the lashes and you just basically grab a hold of them, and I just squeeze and swoop up. It's pretty simple. Let's go ahead and get this other side done.
Life is better when you're around. Memories fade much slower when you're here.
So easy, they just automatically stick. It's almost like a magnet. It's crazy.
When I wear your shirt, I'm a mess all day until you're home from work. Always worried you might wanna call it quits. Always stressing over stupid little shit.
And then we're gonna finish with the F10. Now, a few of them broke, so I think one Gossamer kind of broke. It split up a little bit, so if you can tell. But that's okay. I like when that happens because that's when I can go in and fill this gap that's gonna drive me nuts. So you guys, you can stack these things, and if you don't know what that means, that's basically once you get your first layer of lashes on, you can go in and you can stack them, and if you want more volume, you can just go ahead underneath this row of lashes and place another row. So that's the nice thing about these, is you can also stack them. All right, and then you just go in and you're going to fuse those.
When you're here with me, keep it on a charger though, 'cause I know when you leave.
The last thing I usually do is I go ahead and apply the glass. So this just basically is like a waterproof, you know, sealant that you put on there, and this is what it looks like. So it's got the little brush and then it's got the tip on there, and I just take it and I dab it up underneath, and then I'll go through the top and either just brush that through or I'll dab it through the top, and you just kind of get close to where you put that bond. So I'm gonna let these kind of dry and then I'll apply this. Okay, that's it. It's pretty simple, isn't it? I absolutely love these things, and I know you guys are gonna like them too.
When you're here with me, keep it on a charger though, 'cause I know.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked the video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that bell for more videos. I'll see you in the next one.